and this is Plinking in the Apartment with Stephen Detweiler. And I've got something special for you. We are going to take our plinker, our 1911 C02 Springfield replica, and we're going to dump 18 rounds into a water bottle. If you see on the other camera, I have cleared off the sink, I have cleared off everything, and we're going to see if dumping 18 rounds into that water bottle is going to explode it or what's going to happen. I'm curious. How about you? Now I'm going to cover my face in case there's any bounce back, you know, because the material, we know that the hanging curtain stops the BBs. So we're going to do this. We're going to cut this. I got a heavy shirt on, heavy jeans, in case we get any bounce back. Safety is our #1 priority. Glasses are resistant. We're good to go. Full CO2 cartridge, which means the BB is traveling at approximately 325 feet per second. That's fast in an apartment. So you ready? Let's do this. If it makes a big mess, remember, this is for your entertainment. Entertainment. All right. Not very explosive, but I think we got some good results. I think that was pretty cool. Let me just put that back in the holster like that. Let's go see our results. All right, we got some spillage all the way over here. We did get some splatter. Man, we just racked up that corner right there. And I was about 7 feet away. All right. So that actually, I thought that was pretty cool. What do you think? As you saw, I went to Walmart and I got some other things to shoot in the apartment. What'd you think about this one? Water poured out pretty quick. I thought that was pretty cool. And what else would you like to see me shoot? Apples? Cantaloupes? Vegetables? It's for your entertainment. You let me know in the comments below. I love you. God bless you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.